Aloha, I'm Chef Leanne Wong. Welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. Today we're going to be making a tomato lemongrass bisque with garlic coconut croutons. Add the olive oil to a large pot. Then add the shallots, garlic, and ginger and saute over medium heat about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring often. Add the lemongrass and cook another 2 minutes. Add the lime juice and zest, sugar, tomatoes, and coconut milk. Bring to a simmer and cook for 10 minutes. Use a blender to blend the bisque until smooth. Season to taste with salt and pepper. For homemade garlic croutons, blend the coconut oil, butter, garlic, and salt together. Put the baguette slices onto a baking sheet, then spread with the butter mixture. Bake in a 300-degree Fahrenheit oven for 5 to 7 minutes until golden brown. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.